Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I do have the ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova earbuds, gaming earbuds, and I'm going to tell you how to clean them. So actually, the issue is that you have to at first buy yourself something like this. This is the Timo cleaner, but for something about $3 or $4 with the delivery. So yes, this is very cheap. And here, if you open that, the quality doesn't matter actually of the product. The inside is the most important thing. Here, as you can see, do have some brushes, etc. Prepare yourself this brush. For example, we can prepare also this one, and no, this one, not this one. Yes, it was the previous one, and this one. Prepare yourself some tools like this. Of course, don't use metal and some very sharp things, and don't use water and alcohol. I mean, alcohol you can, but only this to the accessories, not to drink. Now, once you do have your earbuds like this, let me take the case away for now. And what to do now? Take your, for example, brush and wipe the tip inside like this. You can use a paper towel to wipe the tip around, but inside use a brush like this. Do it very carefully with not that much strength, and just copy my movements. Twist your ear tip like this and wipe the area of inside like this. The same as with the earbud itself. You can just add a little bit of alcohol. I don't have it with me now, so yes, that's why I don't use that. And apart from that, while doing so, you can take, as you can see, this little brush over here and brush the microphones over here, and I don't know where it was here. It was here. So yeah, that's what I do recommend doing to your headphones. And the same you have to do with the another one. Now let me take this earbuds from here and take my case. Let's open this case, and as you can see, here you have not much things to clean, but take your brush, clean this area inside because it's oftenly covered by the earwax from the ear tips. If you do have, for example, more dirty ears, or just sweat more than a normal person, or maybe not normal person, just sweat more, wipe it here, and as for these pins, don't cover them in any water, any alcohol, etc. Wipe them carefully like this, here and here and here. And actually, now you can put your earbuds back again to your case and use fresh looking ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.